In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub and Jira Autolinking. This can be really useful for streamlining your workflow between these two powerful tools. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open GitHub and navigate to the main page of your organization. It's super straightforward. Once you're there, look for your organization name at the top of the page. Right under it, you should see a Settings tab. If it's not visible right away, don't worry. Just click the drop-down menu to find it and select Settings. Now, once you're in the settings, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll want to click on Developer Settings. This is an important step as it will give you access to the features you'll be using. Next, keep scrolling down this sidebar until you see OAuth Apps. Click on that. Now, this area is where you can create a new OAuth application. Go ahead and click on the New OAuth App button. If this is your first time creating an app, the button might say Register an application instead, but it serves the same purpose. Here comes the part where you fill in the application settings. For the application name, simply type in Jira. Of course, you can use any name that you find helpful to identify your Jira instance. Next, in the homepage URL field, you'll need to type the full URL of your Jira instance. It's important that you get this right, as this link is used to identify the connection between Jira and GitHub. You'll do the same for the authorization callback URL, where you'll again enter the full URL of your Jira instance. Now that you're done with that, click the Register Application button. Great. At the top of the page, you should see the client ID and client secret. Keep this information noted, as you'll need it to configure your Jira instance later. Next, let's switch gears to the Jira instance configuration. Start by logging into your Jira account with administrative access. Once you're in, you should see a Settings gear icon at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down, select Applications. Take a look at the left sidebar again. Under the Integrations section, click on DVCS Accounts. Here's where you're going to link your GitHub account. Click on Link Bitbucket Cloud or GitHub account. In the pop-up window, you'll need to fill in your GitHub Enterprise settings. For the Host drop-down menu, make sure to choose GitHub Enterprise. Then in the Team or User Account field, type the name of your GitHub Enterprise organization or your specific user account. Now, when it comes to the OAuth key field, enter the client ID of the GitHub Enterprise developer application that we noted earlier. Also, in the OAuth secret field, type in that client secret you recorded. Before moving on, you have some options to consider. If you'd prefer not to link new repositories owned by your organization or user account, simply deselect the Auto Link New Repositories option. And if smart commits aren't part of your plan, you can also deselect the Enable Smart Commits option. Once you're done selecting these options, click the Add button. You'll then need to review the permissions you're granting to your GitHub Enterprise account, and when you're ready, just click on the Authorize Application button. If it prompts you, type in your password to confirm your actions. And there you go. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up GitHub and Jira Autolinking, enhancing your integration between the two applications. Thanks for joining me today.